Following a potent price plunge for much of August, Cardlytics could eventually stem the tide of selling long enough for another sizable short-term rebound. Aside from entering oversold territory in the near term, Cardlytics has been named Best Digital Ad Network in the 2025 MarTech Breakthrough Awards program for its card-linked offer, CLO Network. The company was recognized for its pioneering approach to CLOs, unique data and targeting capabilities, and sustained impact on strengthening customer engagement and loyalty. Cardlytics Network provides access to nearly 225 million consumers and a view into more than $5.8 trillion in annual consumer spend, allowing the company to deliver highly targeted and relevant cashback offers that help build lasting customer loyalty. According to Steve Johansson, managing director at MarTech Breakthrough, advertisers are seeing meaningful results from Cardlytics' CLO network, which moves beyond generic targeting to drive real engagement and incremental sales. Cardlytics CEO Amit Gupta said that the recognition is a testament to the performance of the company's network, which has become a proven and measurable growth channel for the world's leading brands. Then, following the last earnings report, revenue expectations are around $245.9 million in 2025. Although this would reflect a 7.6% decline in revenue compared to the last year, the loss per share is expected to narrow 70% to $1.04. Cardlytics CEO Amit Gupta said that the company is navigating headwinds by doubling down on diversification efforts and reinforcing its unique network capabilities. The company reported a decrease in revenue of 9% year-over-year to $63.2 million, but saw an increase in monthly qualified users, MQUs, of 19% year-over-year to 224.5 million. In order to reinforce its unique network capabilities, Cardlytics has introduced new customer insights dashboards within its Cardlytics Insights portal, a self-service tool that provides advertisers with market and customer intelligence on demand. The new dashboards focus on customer insights, including brand affinity, customer migration, and loyalty insights, and complement the existing market insights dashboards. According to Cardlytics, the platform is built on visibility into $5.8 trillion of annual consumer spend data and provides access to 6 dashboards that cover market summary, competitor insights, geographic insights, brand affinity, customer migration, and loyalty insights. Rory Mitchell, Chief Business Officer at Cardlytics, said that the Cardlytics Insights portal is setting a new standard for effective and intuitive data tools that help advertisers unlock new opportunities for growth. Shake Shack is among the companies currently using the platform, with Charlie Frankovich, VP of Guest and Culinary Insights at Shake Shack, saying that the competitive share data is particularly valuable for the company. Cardlytics operates as a commerce media platform with visibility into approximately half of all card-based transactions in the US and a quarter in the UK. To further its reach and diversify, it launched its Cardlytics Rewards Platform, CRP, a new offering aimed at bolstering customer loyalty programs with card-linked offers. The platform enables merchants with digital channels and existing loyalty schemes to join the Cardlytics network as publishers, thereby offering enhanced value to their customers. According to Cardlytics, the CRP marks a strategic expansion for the company, traditionally a leader in financial media, as it seeks to diversify its publisher base and connect with consumers through new channels. Amit Gupta, CEO of Cardlytics, highlighted the significance of the CRP launch, noting the platform's role in growing the company's publisher network and meeting consumers in diverse environments. He expressed enthusiasm about the inaugural partnership with a leading digital sports platform and anticipated more collaborations in the future. CRP functions as an extension of Cardlytics' core platform, offering the same advertiser deals across new publisher channels. Offers are integrated within a publisher's loyalty program and are targeted using purchase data from a third-party vendor. Moving ahead, Cardlytics is also implementing workforce reductions and cost-saving measures expected to save $16 million annually. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.